Okay, I'm opening up another pack. I got this with the Scarlet Violet, and it comes with that one Pokemon that I thought would be a physical user in the game, but their attack was pretty bad. Tinkatongue, or what do you call it? Kenneth. Oh, I forgot something. Oh, I got the second form of him finally. Kenneth. He's such a whiner. Like, Kenneth. Kenneth. That's a pretty nice one. Oh, are you coming to help? Guess like I want to help the cards. Or maybe not. Alright, here's the last one. Kenneth. That's all the cards for today, but there were a couple of good ones in there, it seemed like. Thanks for watching, and I'll try to make more videos next time. Right now I gotta entertain the cat. Bye.